Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing the Asus VivoBook S15 laptop. You all can see I have the laptop box here. Inside this box I have the bag and the laptop, both of the things. So that's why the box is a little bit large. So first cut open the tape that's sealed from Asus Sri Lanka tape. So when I open the box, you all can see I have the bag separately and the laptop box separately. We have another box. Inside that box only we have our laptop. So now I will be taking out the laptop and the bag separately. You all can see. There's a handle for us to take out the laptop. So you all can see. In the box they have mentioned Asus VivoBook, as you all can see. So this is the bag. It's a Asus branded bag. It's specially made to carry laptops, so it distributes the weight accordingly for our shoulders to be easy. So now I will be opening the laptop. So when I first open the box, you all can see you have the laptop, and on the box with a pop-up they have shown in search of incredible. So in the side, when you open, you will be getting a charger. This is a fast charger. So this is the wall adapter. This is the charging brick. You all can see it's fast charging at 65 watts. Approximately, this laptop can charge up to 60 in 49 minutes from 0 to 60. And I have got a mouse also. This is included package. So the mouse is also branded as Asus. So that's only inside that side. Now I will be taking the laptop out. You can see it's a lightweight laptop. It weighs about 1.73 kilograms. So we have a leaflet how to link to the My Asus app. And here the manuals, paperworks and everything. We have two manuals. And in this box, in this cover with a small lock, you have some stickers. If you like, you can paste those. Here, these are some animated cartoon character stickers. This comes to paste on the top of the laptop, you can see. So that set of stickers was issued by Asus. These are issued by some other company. So you all can see. I'll put everything inside now. So if you open this side of the box, nothing's there. Both of these sides are also empty. So that's all for the box. You don't have anything else inside the box other than those. So behind or under or anywhere you don't have anything else. You only get the laptop charger and that's all. So now I have the laptop here. I will be taking it out of the polyfabric cover. So when I take it out, I have got the blue color version. You can buy this in black, white and red color also. So I like blue, that's why I took blue. So you all can see here they have given a sticker up to 40% performance Asus intelligent performance technology. So I will be checking this now. And now when you open it, you all can see it's an anti-glare IPS panel you have in the display. So when you take the other polyfabric cover, you have the keyboard touchpad, and the fingerprint sensor also. So this laptop includes a i5 processor and an NVIDIA graphics panel. You all can see they have told sound by Harman Kardon. So Asus have been cooperated with another company. So as for the ports, you can see a micro SD card, a combo port, and a USB Type A, HDMI, and the power port on that side. On this side, you can see two USB Type A ports and the power indicator. On the back, you don't have anything else. Under the laptop, you have the air ventilation and the notebook sticker. So when I clip it up again, you all can see this is how you all can see. So we can't open this laptop from one finger. You should keep two fingers to open. That means one at the bottom and the other from open the display. You can see now I will be turning it on. Now, so it takes some time to turn on. So before turning on, remember to plug the charger because first time when it's coming, it won't come fully charged. So I have now plugged the charger. As you all can see, the light is red. That means it's not full charge. That light will be white if the laptop is full charge. So now I'll be turning it on. You all can see it turns on. Asus in search of incredible. This is booting up Windows 10. This laptop supports Windows 11. I still haven't updated it to Windows 11 yet. So you can see the laptop unboxing and the setup process here, the Windows setup process. So first you have to select your language. Mine will be English, so I'll be giving English. So after that you'll get a message from the Microsoft Assistant. So he'll guide you through some first step guidelines. So for this you should add your voice and everything. So because the Microsoft Assistant will work for your voice. So for next you have to get your region. I'll be going to give the default region and select a keyboard layout. I'll give US keyboard layout and I'll add another layout because I'll be using the US layout and the UK layout both. So after you added the keyboard layouts, click on next and go. After that you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So now I will be entering the Wi-Fi password. After that connect and give network discoverability for you to exchange files through network and click next. So after this, Windows will check for some updates and It will be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be skipping from place to place the video. So you all can see now, after I entered my Microsoft account and password also, you'll get the boot up screen, and this is the first look you'll get for your screen. So when you buy this, your touchpad will come disabled. So you should enable the touchpad. So now you all can see I opened the task viewer. So for you all to see, I'll lower the camera angle so it will be easy. So you all can see this is a Intel Core i5 11th gen processor, and I have 8 GB RAM installed on board. So you have NVIDIA G4 G graphics also. This comes with Intel graphics also.